Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade. I am a student from SAS Institute of Management Studies and my topic name is Training and Development. So, here is the definition of training. Training means a learning process and a task oriented activity. The process of teaching new employees the basic skills they need to perform their jobs. Training focuses on specific job, knowledge and skill that is to be applied in the short run. Now, the definition of development. It refers broadly to the nature and direction of change induced in employees through the process of training and educative process. The purpose of development is imparting advanced knowledge and competencies among the employees, whereas development refers to the overall holistic and educational growth and maturity of people in managerial position. Role of training and development: increase in efficiency, increase in morale of employees, better human relations, reduced supervision, increased organizational viability and flexibility. Aim of training: the main aim is to develop the knowledge, skills and attitude necessary for effective performance of the work. Establishing training and development objectives. Here is the two basic objectives for establishing training and development. Desired end results. Clear and summarized objectives must be formulated. Areas of training: knowledge, technical skills, social skills, techniques. Select training and development method. So here is the two methods for training and development. On the job training is the first method and the second one is of the job training. In on the job training, there are four methods: mentoring, coaching, job rotation, internship. And in off the job training, there is distance learning and video conferencing, classroom program, simulation, role playing. Implementation of training programs: deciding the location and organizing the training and other facilities, scheduling the training programs, conducting the program, monitoring the progress of trainees. Advantages of training and development: increase in productivity, builds skill, employee satisfaction, company reputation, reduce mistakes. It's an easy way to set clear expectations. Now the disadvantages of training and development. The first one is expensive. It is expensive. May not get the desired return. Improper training creates improper results. Different people learn best in different ways. Different people learn best in different ways. No control of the training. There is no control on the training. The cost of training never go away. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, ma'am.